What's up guys, this is Unknown from Notion Hub, and in this video, we are doing an unboxing of Ambrane fast charging cable. Now this is available on Amazon for 179 rupees. This is just going to be an unboxing. So let's get started. Here's the box. It says Ambrane and has a preview of the cable. It says RCT15 fast charging Type-C cable made in India. On the side, there are some highlights. On the back, there are specs and other information. Now let's unbox. Now we have a braided cable in black color and it is USB-A to USB-C cable. Now this is a 1.5 meter long cable, maximum 3A fast charging speed, 10,000 plus bends lifespan. It supports Quick Charge 2.0 and 3.0. It has 480 Mbps fast data transfer speeds and it is compatible with all Type-C enabled devices. Now if you need a nice braided Type-C cable, you can definitely go for this one. It is pretty good cable. We are using it. And if we get any problem with it, we'll definitely update in the comments in the future. That's it for this video. This is Unknown from Notion Hub. Meet you in the next one.